Hello everyone, I am Sudipta Dasgupta. Welcome to the third tutorial. Today we will talk about all the application of coordinate system related to ArcGIS. So let's start. There are two types of coordinate system. One is GCS, which is geographic coordinate system, and the another is PCS, which is projected coordinate system. Now let's talk about some basic information we need for understanding GCS and PCS. First, we need to know what is equator and what is meridian. Equator is a great circle around the Earth that is everywhere equidistant from the geographic poles. The equator line divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. A prime meridian is a meridian in a geographic coordinate system at which longitude is defined to be 0 degree. The central meridian is the center line of longitude for projection system. We must need to know what is false easting and false northing. False easting is a linear value applied to the origin of the x coordinates, and the false northing is the linear value applied to the origin of the y coordinates. Now we will see how to check a coordinate system of a particular shapefile. For this, we need to have a layer and a shapefile into the layer. We will right click on the shapefile and go to the properties. In properties, we will go to the source menu. In source menu, we can check all the coordinate system related to this shapefile. As we can see, the projected coordinate system of the shapefile is BTM and the projection is in transverse Mercator. And at the down, we can see the geographic coordinate system is GCS Everest Bangladesh and the datum is D Everest Bangladesh. In this way, we can check every detail of coordinate system of a particular shapefile. When we are working with ArcGIS, we have many files of many projection systems. So we need a particular coordinate system so that all the files could be in same coordinate system. If we import a shapefile in a layer, the layer automatically turns its coordinate system according to the shapefile. As we can see, the shapefile was in BTM, so the layer is already in BTM format, and the GCS is in Everest. What we will do when we need a new coordinate system? We will insert a data frame, go to its property. So here in the coordinate system, we have to set a new coordinate system for this new data frame. Now let's see how to set a new coordinate system. Top right of the menu, there is an option named Add Coordinate System. Here we will click the new, then the projected coordinate system. We will set a new name for our projected coordinate system. Here I will set BTM. The values are fixed for BTM, so I will set the value of false easting as 500K and the false northing will be minus 2000K. The central meridian would be 90 and the scale factor will be 0.9996. We will change the geographic coordinate system into Everest Bangladesh. In the Asia menu, we will find Everest Bangladesh and click OK. And click Apply. Then OK. Here we see in the custom menu, there is a coordinate system named as BTM, which we made earlier. We will click the BTM and apply and OK. So the new coordinate system of this new data frame will be Transverse Mercator and GCS Everest Bangladesh, as we have said it earlier. For quick analysis, I will export some coordinate system into my GIS properties. Here are some coordinate system I have already in my computer. I will copy those. Go to local disk, user, my PC, app data, roaming, Esri, then desktop, and into the ArcMap, I will find coordinate system. And in the coordinate system, we will paste all the coordinate system we have copied earlier. Sometimes we need to drag our data to our new data frame. Data may be from various sources, so it will have different type of projection system. If we set our new data frame coordinate system according to our own choice, like this, here I have set my new data frame as GCS WGS 1984. And the projected coordinate system is in UTM zone 45 north. If you drag a data from previous data frame which has a BTM projection system, it will show us an warning like this. Here we will transform the data according to our new coordinate system. We will convert from GCS averaged Bangladesh into WGS 1984. Here we need to add a new field. This is the new geographic transformation system. The name I will keep it as it is. The source is GCS Everest and the target GCS is WGS 1984. In the new menu, we will set this method to Melonodiski and set the parameters and click OK. And after that, we will click OK and close. This is the on-the-fly mode. We have dragged the shapefile from the previous layer to this layer. In this layer, the main coordinate system will be according to the data frame coordinate system. But we will work on the shapefile according to the data frame coordinate system. But the coordinate system of shapefile will not be changed. But we can work with the data frame coordinate system. For changing the coordinate system of this particular shapefile, we have to go to the toolboxes, the data management tool, then projection and transformation, and the project tool. In the project tool, we will drag the shapefile as input dataset. The input coordinate system will automatically be fixed. The output coordinate system we can choose from our earlier exported favorite coordinate system. And we will click OK. As the previous shapefile has a coordinate system as BTM, but the new shapefile has coordinate system of WGS 1984 UTM zone 45 degree north. That's how we will change the coordinate system of a particular shapefile. This will be the end of tutorial 3. Thank you very much.